While you're asked to express a whole number as the product of its prime factors, one other way that you could be asked to do this is in index form. So let's learn how to express a whole number as a product of its prime factors in index form. Taking an example with expressing 40 as a product of its prime factors in index form. The process is the same as you would get your product of prime factors, with just a little change there. So let's look at it. We have the number 40, and then we begin to check prime numbers that divide 40 without leaving a remainder. The lowest one we have is 2, and 2 will divide 40 into 20 places without a remainder. Now the next number that can divide 20 is still 2. Remember, always use the lowest prime number possible. So that is 2 in 20, 10. Then 2 in 10, 5. And then finally 5 in 5 to give you 1. Now that we have arrived at 1, let us now express 40 as the product of its prime factors. That is 40 equals 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 and multiplied by 5. Now, since the task is to express it in index form, you look out for those prime numbers that are in this multiple that come in multiple forms. That is, you have 2, 3, 4, and so on of it in the same product. Now, if you look at this, we have 2 multiplied by 2 in 3 places. So we rewrite this as 40 equals 2. Just pick one of them. And then to the top of it here, you put the number of times that 2 appears in this. And let's count. We have 1, 2, 3. So that is 2 with the power of 3 multiplied by 5. Now this is what we refer to as writing a number in index form. So if we are expressing 40 as a product of its prime factors in index form, your solution will be 2 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 5. Try this with another number and see how good you are at it. Thank you.